Everybody, check it out, Crypto Hulk. We got a great show lined up. You're going to love it. Institutional stuff is going crazy right now. The institutions are jumping into good cryptos. Swift, check this out. All the money in the world is moved by Swift, and they're going to integrate cryptocurrencies in all of this. Anywhere in the world, Swift moves money. There's their vast connection right there. Now, there's cryptos. These ISO 20022, these are the cryptos that are going to move all the money in the world. Do you got them? Ripple is not going to replace Swift. Ripple's a software company, and Swift's going to utilize their technology. You'll see. Now, Kaylen Brown, talk about technology. You got to protect everything. That's where Kaylen Brown comes in. They got Fireblocks, institutional custody for little retail people like you and me. Fireblocks has the top 2,400 banks and financial institutions in the world. You and me, we got access to that. Also, at Kaylen Brown, you can buy, sell, swap cryptos, everything. Here's Crypto Hulk. He's the star of the show. He's working hard right there. You can join Kaylen Brown right there. And that's the Crypto Hulk law firm. So when you get rich and weirdos or the government want to steal your crypto, this will protect it right here. You can ghost your crypto. No one's going to see who owns that. Lastly, 7 o'clock a.m. Pacific time, YouTube, Crypto Hulk. I'll see you there.